Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I got a question because of a news item. At first, the email was kind of didn't understand well what was happening, and thought that the Windows Insider program is shutting down. But it's not that. It's a different thing. Well, it's part of the Windows Insider program, but it's something unique that was created way back in 2016. So when you are an insider, one of the things that Microsoft made available for insiders back in 2016 was the ability to become MVPs, or most valuable professionals. This is what is shutting down. So in the insider program, you could be nominated to be one of those most valuable professionals, which meant that you had special deals. For example, you would get Office 365 for free, things like that. They would let you have a few little things that were kind of cool, And those were people that made a major impact, that had the drive to really not just love Windows, be an enthusiast of Windows, but help out a lot in the Windows community itself, in the Windows Insider program. As of today, there are something like 90 professionals, Microsoft, or MVPs, 90 MVPs in the Windows Insider program. So what happened is that Microsoft announced today that this is ending on December 31st. So there will be no more most valuable professionals within the Insider program. What does this hint to? Well, several things. First of all, I think it shows that Microsoft does not anymore find the Windows Insider program as valuable as it used to be back in the day. So that's one of the things that probably is happening. There's been a lot of controversy also. There's a lot of MVPs that were removed from their status of MVPs for giving tips on how, for example, one was removed because he actually gave a tip on how to remove Cortana from Windows. Things like that Microsoft didn't like. And so arbitrarily, if you did say or do something Microsoft didn't like, you could be stripped of your MVP status. So all that together, I think, is just creating, the perfect time to say, well, we don't need this anymore. So they're removing that. A lot of you have asked me, does that impact the future of the Windows Insider program? One thing for sure, I have a impression that the Insider program is now kind of a legacy thing that I'm not sure Microsoft really relies on anything on that anymore. So if in the near future or in the next few years, I would hear that, Windows Insider program shutting down, I would not be that surprised, honestly, of that news, because it's became stale, and I'm sure that the number of insiders now is very small compared to what it probably used to be at its peak. So I don't know. Maybe it's time to, recharge the Insider program, change it, do something about it, because I don't know, the future of that program, I'm not sure is assured for that long. So the Insider program is continuing. Don't worry, guys, for those that are insiders. But it's really the most valuable professional side that is now removed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.